I saw the 2024 Paris Olympics with all its adventures and excitement. But for me, who is a miniaturist, a wonderful and exciting experience happened. One thing that really caught my attention was seeing large portraits of world cultures in the middle of the Seine River in Paris during the Sports Olympics. Even more interesting was a portrait of one of these works, inspired by Iranian paintings, which was a peak of excitement for me. The painting I saw was a part of a painting called Shah Abbas and Youth, an artwork by Mohammad Qasem Tabrizi, painter, poet, calligrapher, and musician of the Safavid era in Iran. One of the characters was recreated on a large frame and placed in the Seine River in the path of passing sports caravans. It was so captivating for me that I didn't even notice the boats passing by and the ceremonies. My gaze was solely on the paintings. Now today, I came to a beautiful lake and decided to perform that painting's full form that I saw and enjoy it. It is so calm and enchanting here that it seems like the best place for me to redesign that painting and experience the pleasure I derive from seeing that image there, here as well. I'm thinking that this painting was drawn almost 500 years ago. It's very interesting for me to wonder what kind of life people had in those days. And now I'm reconstructing this image. I think I might be the first person to enlarge this little miniature. I hope it turns out well. Painting in the middle of water has a strange feeling that I love. I think I'll come back and paint in the water again.